Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to open the settings. To do it, press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, of course, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the sounds and vibration and select it. And here tap on vibration. And finally find the vibration intensity and tap on it. And right here we have two levels of vibration. We have moderate and strong. So select the one you like. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change or adjust the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.